So we have seen the example here, set form representation of that example in the set builder form as well as our tabular method, roster form we call. Elements we have 2, 3, 5, 7. In the roster form we have written. Here in set builder it is x such that x is a prime number less than 10. You might have known the definition of prime number so clearly. 2 is a first even prime number and one and only even prime number. No other even number is a prime, because 2 is divisible by 2, 2 is divisible by 1, no other divisors, but all other even numbers are divisible by 2. Therefore, other even numbers are not a prime number. One and only even prime is 2. Got it? Next, 3 is a prime number, 5 prime number, 7 prime number. So roster form, this is the method, and this is a representation of set in set builder form. You can see few examples which representing both in set builder as well as in roster method. See, move on to next example. X such that x is an odd number less than 9. This I have written in set builder form. Set builder form is also called as rule method. You remember, rule method means rule. It depends upon certain rule. Andre ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿನ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸೆಟ್ಟಿನ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸೆಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಆರ್ ರೂಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ರೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, writing elements which followed by commas. See, x is an odd number less than 9 means odd number 1, 3, 5, 7. Don't write 9 because they have given less than 9 here. Less than or equal to 9 if they said, then we could have write 9 also. This is set builder form. This is roster form. Another important example I can give it to you. If I write set A is x such that 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. 4x minus 2 is equal to 0 is a condition. Got it? Is a condition which I have given in set builder form. Set builder form. The same set I can write in roster form. How? By solving this property, by solving this condition. Got it? 4x minus 2 is equal to 0 means what? 4x is equal to 2. Got it? 4x is equal to 2. You can solve that. 4x minus 2 is equal to 0 means 4x is equal to 2. That implies, what you can say, that implies x is equal to 2 by 4. It means 1 by 2. Because 4x equal to means x is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, we call A, set A is equal to 1 by 2. Only one element in the set. This is set builder form. This is roster form. After solving this condition, after solving this property, we came to know that this is representing in the roster form as an element half, just half. Got it? Next, we move on to types of sets. Types of sets. We can discuss one by one. First type of set is empty set or null set. A set which has no element is called the null set or empty set. We have one set which has no elements. A set which has no element, there is no element in the set, is called null set or empty set. It is denoted by this symbol. You can call it as an empty set. Pi ಅನ್ನೋ symbol ಅನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Is also a pi symbol. Okay. Pi symbol ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ a set has no element, ಆ ಸೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, null set ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Another notation is writing flower bracket, within that there is no element, empty. So it's called empty set or null set. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ 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 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ ಸೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 4x minus 2 is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಹಾಫ್. Something is there after solving this condition, some values is there, that values exist. To represent that existence we have a set. Therefore empty set, empty ಅನ್ನು represent ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ನಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ. Therefore, that can be done by using this empty set or null set. ಅಂದರೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಏನುಂಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, ಇದು ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಹಾಫ್. ಇದು ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ 1 3 5 7 we can say. Then what is collection of this empty set? Collection of nothingness. Collection of nothingness. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಟಿರೋದೇ empty set ನ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್. ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಏನುಂಟು? ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ನೆಸ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ empty set or null set. A set which has no element is called the null set or empty set. For example, the set of all those integers that are both even and odd. Can you tell me any one number which is both even and odd? Not at all. Impossible. ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈವನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಗ 0 ಒಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಸರ್ 0 ಏನು ಅಂತ. 1 3 5 7 9 ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, 2 4 6 8 ಎಲ್ಲ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 0? 0 is also ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, 0 is also ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರನ್ನು 2n ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಎನ್ನಿಗೆ 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ 2, ಎನ್ನಿಗೆ 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ 4, 2 ಇಂಟು 2 4. ಲೈಕ್ವೈಸ್ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 2nನಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎನ್ನಿಗೆ 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ 0 ಇಂಟು 2 ಬಿಕಮ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎನ್ನಿಗೆ 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ 0 ಇಂಟು ಎನ್ನಿಗೆ 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ 2 ಇಂಟು 1 ಬಿಕಮ್ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎನ್ನಿಗೆ 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ 2 ಇಂಟು 2 ಬಿಕಮ್ 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಿಬೋದು ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇ ಅಂತ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಈವನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆರ್ ರೂಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್, some elements x such that slant or this vertical symbol you can use, such that x is equal to 2n, where n belongs to, you can use symbol of belongs to, n belongs to, just you can use a condition, n belongs to real number, any real number. Okay, now this can be listed out. How can you list out the element? Okay, so here I said it is a definition, one example of set of all even numbers x such that x is equal to 2n, representing 2n, where n belongs to any real number, n belongs to real number. What is that? Say when I give n is equal to 0, it becomes x is equal to 2 into 0, first element 0. When I say n is equal to 1, x is equal to 2 into 1 become 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Got it? So representation of even numbers. This is even number definition. And if I write odd numbers, odd number is x such that n, just n, 2n plus 1 we are representing for odd number. So 2n plus 1 means 2 into 0 may come, but plus 1 is there. So starting with 1, odd number starting with 1. So if I take positive odd numbers, likewise we can define odd and even, but both even and odd, there is no chance, there is no element, therefore that is an empty set. Okay, that is an empty set.